I'm looking forward to spending some time with you on the 26th of May from 4 to 5 as we discuss leadership, the need to redefine future skills development. I want to quickly take the opportunity just to explain to you what are some of the meat and the stuff that we're actually going to get into. So first of all, don't forget, it's an opportunity for us to just actually engage and network and collaborate around certain of the burning platforms and issues that we all face. But we're going to look at, from my perspective, some of the research that we have done with regard to the fourth industrial revolution and artificial intelligence and how we engage with it and how our future world of work is going to look. Because we all know that change is here. It's happening at a rapid rate. And what's important to realize is change is actually that thing that gives you that big slap on the back of your head. But growth is a choice. We choose to grow and we choose to embrace the change and move forward and look at it in a different perspective. And we look at some of those change strategies and how we partner with all the nuances within these changes and disruption that is currently happening. We're going to look at aspects like massive transformational purpose. That's one of the book's exponential organizations is part of our research, and we're going to look at, so what is organizational massive transformational purposes and what is ours? And we're going to look at how the immune system of organizations kick against change. It's actually built to kick against it, just like we are. We like our comfort zone, but how do we work around it? Because the reality is that disruption is here. So if we look at the polarity in industries, and that is true. I mean, our industries are vast, and the challenges that we deal with, there is uniqueness in them, but there is also a lot of similarity. If we just look at the simplistic thing that I'm doing now, a recording of explaining to you what our session is about, in the past that would have required camera crews, lighting, makeup, sound. Now it's a simple activity of me with my cell phone, sitting in my study at home, where previously the equipment and just everything that would have been required would have been a lot, and the cost associated to it would have been immense. Now, actually, it's short, sharp, and the cost has reduced. So how do we look at those nuances and exponential strategic objectives that need to be achieved, and how do they get achieved? And in line with that, even if we just look at education is one of the areas that's being disrupted the most. We can't no longer just design a curriculum and then think the curriculum is enough. How are we adapting curriculums? What are some of the challenges we are facing in our educational ecosystem with regard to rapid change and rapid evolvement? The fact that knowledge is easily available. What makes our engagements better? Knowledge transfer and self-directed learning exists. I can go Google, I can go and research, I can go read by myself. But how do we create actually engagement sessions where the knowledge transfer actually deals with applied competence, real skill being displayed? And we're going to just open the discussion and debate around that. So I'm really looking forward. Don't forget to reserve your spot. It's on the 24th of May, as I said, and our session is from 4 to 5. And over a cup of coffee, we're going to have a nice opportunity just to engage and have a discussion. And I look forward to having some of your views and hearing about some of the challenges you face.